The P0016 code indicates a timing mismatch between your crankshaft and camshaft positions on bank 1, the side of the engine with cylinder 1. The engine control module detects that these components aren't properly synchronized. This can lead to serious performance issues and remains prevalent in internal combustion engine vehicles as of 2025. Common symptoms of a P0016 error include rough idling, where the engine runs unevenly. This is often accompanied by stalling, where the engine shuts off unexpectedly. You may also notice reduced engine power, making acceleration difficult. An illuminated check engine light will appear on your dashboard. Additionally, difficulty starting the vehicle is another common sign. Ignoring these symptoms can lead to further engine damage. If you observe any of these signs, it's crucial to diagnose the issue promptly. Several factors can trigger a P0016 code in your vehicle. A worn or stretched timing chain is a common culprit, causing misalignment between the crankshaft and camshaft. A faulty variable valve timing solenoid or actuator can prevent proper timing adjustments, leading to the code. Malfunctioning crankshaft or camshaft position sensors can send incorrect signals to the engine control module. Low oil pressure can affect the variable valve timing system, preventing it from operating correctly. Identifying the root cause is essential for an effective fix. Regular oil changes help prevent these issues. Begin diagnostics by using an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P016 code and check for related codes like P0011 for VVT solenoid issues. Examine the freeze frame data captured when the code was set for additional clues about engine conditions. Visually inspect the wiring and connectors for the crankshaft and camshaft position sensors on bank 1. Look for signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections in the sensor components. Modern vehicles post-2020 provide more precise diagnostics, including real-time sensor waveforms for better analysis. To test the crankshaft position sensor, use a multimeter to measure resistance between the sensor terminals. Then, check voltage at the positive and negative connections while the engine is running. Compare these readings against the manufacturer's specifications to confirm proper operation. For the camshaft position sensor, perform similar multimeter checks for resistance and voltage. Ensure the 8-volt supply and ground connections are functioning correctly. Again, reference the manufacturer's specifications to validate the readings. An oscilloscope offers deeper analysis through waveform examination. It can reveal sensor drift, irregular signals, or amplitude issues that a multimeter might miss, helping pinpoint subtle faults in the sensor operation. If sensors fail these tests, replacement is typically straightforward. Ensure you use OEM parts and follow proper installation procedures to restore accurate timing correlation. If the sensors are functioning correctly, inspect the timing chain for wear or stretch. A stretched timing chain can cause timing misalignment. Check the VVT solenoid for proper operation. Clean or replace the solenoid if necessary. VVT issues are a leading cause of P0016. Replacing sensors or cleaning the VVT solenoid can often be done as a DIY project. Timing chain replacement is more complex and typically requires specialized tools and expertise. If you're not comfortable with this level of repair, seek professional assistance. According to a 2025 AAA study, professional repairs have an 85% success rate. Regular maintenance helps prevent issues. Regular oil changes and timely maintenance are crucial for preventing the P0016 code. This helps maintain proper oil pressure for the VVT system and prevents timing issues. As electric vehicles become more prevalent, the P0116 code will become less common since EVs don't have camshafts or traditional timing systems that cause this issue. For remaining ICE vehicles, expect advanced materials like carbon fiber timing chains to further minimize P0116 failures. By 2030, as EVs dominate the market, the P016 code could become a niche issue.